Hello YouTube, Traction 1 Gaming here, and today we have we have a Tekkit tutorial. Okay, so it's the first in hopefully a lot. All we'll need for this tutorial is inside this chest, so we need a computer, some disk drives, and just some generic floppy disks with just blank, nothing on them so far. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a password protected door, and I'll be showing you why you don't want to be putting a disk drive around anywhere near your password protected doors. Let's get started then. So, first off, we're going to want a computer. I'm only showing you the code in this part, then I'll go and build a little house somewhere over there and show you how it actually works. So, I'm going to get disk drive and a floppy disk just so I can copy the program over so I don't have to rewrite it. Okay, this is only a really basic tutorial. I'm not going into any complex ones in this one. However, I will link you in the description to my advanced and complex password protected door tutorials. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are. So we want to just go straight in and edit startup. So this means that we're editing the startup file. So don't want mouse, it's a bit spazzy. So whenever the computer starts up or reboots, this is what it'll do. So we want to print, which is if I can spell, we just want to print the screen. That means it'll show up on the screen. Please enter password. Okay, now we want to sleep for 1 second. Sleeping is just telling the computer to wait, and because it's a boolean variable, it's got to go inside brackets here. So we want to sleep 1 second, and then we're going to want to write. Write is different to print because this little flashing cursor thing will appear next to it and not underneath. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So we're just going to write password, and we want to wait for your whatever you want to put here. So we're going to save that, and then we're going to hold Control and R, and the computer will reboot. There you go. So this is what I mean. If we just printed password, this would be underneath here, but we've wrote password, so it appears here like a computer terminal off Fallout if you played it. So, but we don't have a password right now, so we're just going to edit startup again. Sorry, not startup. So we're going to edit whatever you want your password to be. So this is the bit where you choose your password. So we're going to edit YouTube. That's my password. And then we're going to want to print to the screen. Password accepted. And then we're going to want to sleep 1 second. And then we're going to want to redstone.set output. The little bit that goes in here depends on where the computer is to your door. So if your door's on the left over here, then you put left. If it's on the right, then you put right. If it's above, you put top, etc. And you're going to set it to true. Now you're going to want to sleep for 3 seconds, which is the average time of a button. And you're going to want to set the output left again. Change it to false this time. Then you're going to want to sleep for 1 second, and then this tells the computer to just restart itself. So, if we restart the computer now, and we want to enter the password, so we just type YouTube, password accepted, And I'm just going to spawn in a door just to show you that it works. If this ever... There we go. Reinforced door. Right, so as you can see, it reset itself. YouTube password accepted. Door opens. 3 seconds. Door closes. Computer restarts. Now that's a really simple password, but if anyone actually knows how to use computers, then you just type list, and they just look for, like, say YouTube, and they'll know your password. So you want to edit list, and you're gonna want to print. You do not permission to access this command. Okay, and you're going to want to do the same for edit. Okay, so now if they just come into your computer and they're like, oh no, how do we do this? Then you're like, edit, uh-oh, no. You're like, edit, startup. It didn't work. Why won't that work? I didn't save, damn it. Alright. Right, so we want to make sure we save that. And we type edit, and then list. That didn't save. That's retarded. Sorry, I'm just checking the timing. So we're gonna want to just edit list again, because my keyboard. Shit, we fucked it up. But anyway, if we just restart this, you get the general idea. Door, comment, whatever. Right, so I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna go over here and build a house. And I'll see you back in a sec. Okay, I've given up on building a house. I really can't be bothered because we've got this example over here. If you guys want to see more tutorials, then post in the comments, rate, comment and subscribe, it all helps. I'll see you next time, YouTube. Goodbye.